Here's a cool gift idea for pizza dads. It's made right here in Ohio, and it's half price if you live in Greater Columbus. These things are tricky to make, but shipping is the biggest cost. I suppose you could skip to the end if you don't care about the process, but if you visit the Schmink in my Schmayo, you might be wondering about the price. I even made some custom tools for this thing. This is where the actuator button will go. Time for the wiring. Everything is twisted and soldered. I need this to be sturdy and reliable. This heat gun is pretty cool. You should buy one of these too. Just a few finishing touches here and we'll be ready to sling pizza. The vibration significantly reduces friction, and it looks pretty good on your wall, with a few different color options. I designed a logo. My sister made it look professional. Then I found a guy to make me a branding iron. It just looks like a regular high-end pizza peel. Okay. But in that moment of truth, you can be confident this thing's gonna slide right off. Happy Father's Day.